Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about date, how date works in our studio. And here you can see, first of all, if you want to run date in R, we have to install the tidyverse package. This one we have to install package tidyverse, and also after that we have to run the library for tidyverse and also run the library for LibreDate. So after that we can run date in our studio. So here I just start from here. I just type here today and enter. You can see it's the date today, and you can see the way it functions. The first one is y, second one is mm, and the last one is dd. No matter in which format we insert date in our studio, the output will be like this. For example, I just type here mdy, and here the first one is month. I just type here 12. The second one is day. I type here again 12. The last one is, for example, I type 2020 and enter. You can see the result. It automatically arranged by year, month and day. So it's also true for the time. Here I just type here now and enter. You can see here year, month and day, and here is hour, minute and second. It works always like this. No matter we bring any kind of changes, so the output will be like this. I want to write another example also. Here I just type here dym, and here 3 2019 04, and you can see here the format year, month and day. So that's it about date in our studio. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.